Hi guys, so today we're going to get started on our lesson. Today's lesson is going to be over theme. We're going to watch a quick video that's going to explain to you guys what theme really is. It's a really good in-depth video. I feel like it explains it better than I ever could. So we're going to go ahead and watch that video. Afterwards, I'm going to do a visual for you guys, and I want you guys to be doing this exact visual in y'all's notes. And I'll go more into that visual when we get to it. So let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, here's the video for y'all.
There are many elements to a story or a piece of writing, from the story structure, word choice, author's voice, and summary being the different elements that make up the language of the story. Another piece of writing that you might or might not know about is the theme of the story. The theme is an important idea found throughout the story that connects a big idea to an action or event in the text. Theme sometimes gets confused with main idea or summary of the story, but they are very different. The main idea is what the story is about. In the Amigo Brothers, for example, we can see that the main idea of the story is that two people who are very different from each other can still be friends. The theme, on the other hand, is that some friendships can't be damaged, not even by the strain of competition. Another important aspect of a theme is that it is a lesson or a message that you can apply to your own life, and it can usually be discovered by asking questions. Some of these questions, but not all of them, might be: what is the story trying to tell me? How can I relate to this story? How does this make me feel? And what changed from the start of the story to its end? Theme at times can be pretty difficult to understand and define. And at the end of the day, the best practice in finding theme is to read and ask reflective questions about what you are reading.
Okay, so after watching that video, I hope you got at least a good idea. Sorry guys, the YouTube video kept playing. So I hope you guys got a good idea of what theme really is. Like I mentioned in the video, theme gets compared a lot of times to main idea. It gets jumbled a lot, and a lot of students think that it's the same thing. Later in an activity, we actually are going to be comparing the two. But right now, I just want to talk about what theme really is. To me, theme is the heart of the story. It's how I am interpreting the understanding. It's not mainly what it's about, but it's what the author wants us to know about what is going on in the text. So we are going to start off by making a table. I want you guys to get y'all's interactive notebooks open, and we're going to start this activity right now. I'm going to pull up my example for you guys. If we were in class right now, I would be doing this with y'all, but we are not. So share my screen again. Okay, so this is going to be something similar to what I want you guys to put in y'all's interactive notebooks. So I want you to title it Thinking About Theme, just like here. I'm going to give y'all a second. And again, you can pause this video at any point if you need some more time to write. So underneath it, I want you guys to write out definition. And then next to it, I want y'all to put the theme of a story is the message, lesson, or moral the author wants you to learn. So if we were in class right now, I'd ask you guys, what do you guys think are some common themes? So they give you guys some examples here. So whenever y'all are done writing that definition, under definition, I want you guys to write out examples. And again, like I said, please pause and fill out whatever you guys need to fill out. Many common themes is courage, perseverance, honesty, good versus evil, kindness, acceptance, cooperation, loyalty, friendship and love, and compassion. I feel like for our grade level that we are in right now, friendship is probably one of the major themes that you're going to read in a lot of your stories. But if you can think of any other themes that are not on this list, please feel free to add them to the list. There are so many themes out there. These are just the most common ones that we are mostly going to be looking at. So I just wanted to list these for you guys. So I like these questions that they have on the side. It says, what did the author want us to think about, and where does it show up? I really want you guys to add these questions to your interactive notebook. I think these are going to be very important for when you guys are going to look for the theme in the text, which is we're going to do later on. And I want you guys to star this because it's very important. I know you guys are going to want to go back and look at this. And then we have these questions at the bottom, which I want you guys to answer as well when we're doing when we're finding our themes later on. Ask yourself, what idea stays with you? How did the characters grow or change? So I'm gonna pull up one more thing. If you guys just give me one moment. Stop sharing. I want to look at a few visual models for you guys. And I know you guys just looked to find the theme in the Pixar short. I hope you guys had fun with that. I thought that was a very cute video. Sorry guys, my Google's being funny. So I wanted to show you guys an example of a theme board. Actually, let me just go ahead and share my screen with you guys. So we have this one right here, and this is an example of a theme board. And theme boards are, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. It is a board that conveys the theme of a novel. So here's one, and I wanted to, we're not going to be making these. I mean, we're not in person right now, but I wanted to show you guys what theme really is, and I feel like the best way is by showing you guys theme boards. So we have a lot of these. Surfing. We have one about fish over here. We have trains over here. So it's basically like things that are really gonna point out the theme for you guys. So there's one more thing I want to show you guys. Let me stop sharing. Let me find it. I had everything opened, and then of course it disappears. Okay, here it is. Let me get this real quick for you guys. Okay, so let me share this. So this is another type of visual aid. You guys can definitely add this to your chart that you begin filling out in your interactive notebooks. So this is a good way to remember a theme. Just remember a cream-filled cupcake. Cream filling is hidden inside a cupcake. Things are hidden inside a book. So like I said, the theme of the story is really like the heart of the story, what the author is wanting us to know. So it's hidden inside the book. So this is a good way. If you want to draw a cupcake, go ahead and do that if it's going to help you guys remember. I think it's a good idea. So here's some actual like famous examples of books that y'all most likely have read. So Little Red Riding Hood is a good book. An example of theme would be appearances can be deceiving sometimes. And then we have the Three Little Pigs. Hard work and patience pays off in the end. And then we have the Little Red Hen. Laziness can have negative consequences. So like I said, pause this video, copy these notes down. These notes for theme are really going to help you guys with the activities we're about to get started doing. And I feel like a lot of these are just going to be very beneficial for you guys. So this is why I wanted you guys to have these notes down for the rest of the lesson. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.